trashy TV shows. Yes, I'll probably be on my little headset, but you can if you want. Derek has them. I can get them from him probably. Just hold on a second. I'm gonna open this hair dryer. All right, let's see what they got inside here. I sent the picture yet. Four people. I'm breaking stuff.
Maybe you can put it down so that they don't get seasick.
I can't sit it down. Where am I gonna sit it down? We got this attachment. What is this? Flamethrower? Allie, do you know what this is?
I don't know anything about this stuff.
Some sort of flamethrower device for extra heat. We have, holy, maybe I should set this down. I don't know where though. Just take that out. Like that. Like that. Apologize. And then other than that, we have this, which is a diffuser, right? Diffuser, which is apparently.
I don't know why my hair is fused.
Yeah, I was gonna say, use in bomb diffusing. I'm coming to make it. Give me a second. I'm gonna open up your presents. What demographic are mine? I don't have a demographic. 4 people isn't enough to be a demographic. But that's 4 subscribers. I have more watches than that. But barely. That's okay. That's how it starts, right? Oh, I'm just bad at one-handing this thing. Diffuser. It has buttons. I've never seen so many buttons. Turbo. You can't even see that. Why is it doing that? The screen messed up. Hold on. What? What are you laughing at? You can't even read that, unfortunately. That is all. Bye. Good morning. It is Sunday. I just made a quick vlog update, iPhone update thing. It is right now being uploaded to the old YouTubes. Come on, focus. Come on, focus. Alright, it's not gonna focus. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to make a vlog for today. For tomorrow, actually. I'm making it now, so it will be ready so I can edit it and put it up tomorrow. No real plans. We're gonna go have fun. I already told you that in the update, so I don't even bother with that. Yeah, I'm gonna hopefully vlog a little bit of us doing something. Might be a little different. Usually it's just me. Maybe I'll vlog a little bit with my wife. Today, we also have another channel. We haven't used it in a long time, but we have 15 videos up maybe. Maybe not. Maybe only 8 or something. But it's Allie and Brian. So look that up too if you want. We might start updating that again maybe soon. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, yeah. Also, I don't have a belt and my pants are falling down, as you can see. Unfortunate times. I need to find it. I don't know where it is. That is all. Goodbye. I love Volkswagen. Volkswagen. I love motorcycles. I love cars. Shark copter. Here, my vlog for the first time ever.
I look like a hobo. I don't want this one. I don't know. I know nothing about this stuff.
I don't like it. It's like rims. You don't want chrome rims. This is the one we got for its hardcore blowing power.
It blows.
The bigger they are, the harder they blow.
Super. I don't think I want that on my face. You know? seriously.
Why did you see this like this?
I know when we put that stuff on our faces, we believe it.
I don't.
I just have a big event. I have to be able to do these kind of things. Ew, it's like icing.
That's disgusting.
I'm never taking you makeup shopping again.
Do you promise?
Like the parts for deep cleaning.
The shower tool. Where does it say that? Oh,
Yeah. Interesting.
indeed.